spogliatoio della Roma.
Milan won the round here on Serie A. Roma coming in, defending this undefeated record in the league. AC Milan, the only club left in the Champions League from an Italian perspective, and it was Roma who took the early advantage, the early initiative through Mattia Destro.
Yeah, brilliant. I think Milan defensively, if you look at their positioning, all over the place, and Roma know it. Struman's got in behind that centre-back 2 or 3 occasions. This time he finds the final product, and there is Destro to get his second goal of the season. Typical striker in the right place at the right time.
Meanwhile, though, this was a key moment because Emmanuelson, the real first piece of work from De Sanctis, it led to a corner, which was then rammed home after Montari's flick on. Zapata managed to elevate himself, held himself back from being offside, judging his run behind De Rossi, and that's his first Serie A goal for AC Milan.
Well, this time defensively, you have to say that Roma get cut off completely, and it's Benatia who loses him at the back post, and question marks as to whether or not made contact with his hand. This is the opportunity in the opposing end. Michael Bradley, I thought he should have made contact with the header. Maybe a little worried as where Abbiati was. He gets the second opportunity, but that spin of the ball stops him from going over the line. He does everything right, Michael Bradley. He's had a good first 45 minutes today.
Well, De Sciglio slipped here, and Gervinho didn't do everything right, perhaps. Caught in 2 minds, he had a player to his right, went for goal himself, the chance was gone thanks to Zapata. Good dominant defending from the Colombian, although he did allow Dodo to get this shot away.
Well, question marks about Zapata's positioning right there. Why on earth is he not pushed over immediately? He has to go over.
Sottomen in verticale per la velocità di Gervinho, solo per De Sciglio, uscita del portiere, a terra Gervinho, rigore netto, sì, l'ha visto benissimo Rocchi. Parte Strootman, rete, Roma in vantaggio. Aumenta la falcata Gervinho, arriva a grandi velocità, Ljajic nella sua posizione, il pallone per il serbo, Ljajic in area di rigore, Ljajic la mette in mezzo, arriva Gervinho anticipato, splendido intervento di Manuelson. Arriva Maicon, propone ancora Totti, il cross di Maicon, di testa Bradley. Bella azione della Roma, palla fuori. Ammonito Kakà, è stato ammonito anche Montolivo, che tra l'altro era diffidato, attenzione, Montolivo salterà il derby, espulso Allegri. Si distende il Milan, assiste Manuelson, davanti Matri e Balotelli, lo serve il movimento Kakà, palla limite per Balotelli, si gira Balotelli, gira per Montari, parte il tiro, rete, Montari, gran gol, il pari del Milan. Ricorsa breve, parte Balotelli, De Sanctis ci mette i guantoni in verticale tra le linee, Montolivo, posizione regolare, pallone per Balotelli, in area di rigore, Balotelli la sterzata, Balotelli se l'è divorato. Bradley, zona tiro, pallone per Gervinho, zona tiro, Gervinho rientra sul sinistro, parte il tiro, palla che sfiora il palo verso il fondo. Finisce 2-2, una partita meravigliosa.